We're in Ford Carlisle, we're at Ford Nationals, and we've got to see a lot of Mustangs today, but now we're checking out some more Broncos, and I ran into Steve. Know Steve as well, he's been coming to my show for years, so he's gonna tell us all about his Bronco.
It's a 22 Bronco, it's an Outer Banks, and it's under Area 51 is the paint color on it. It's the only year, 22, they made paint color Area 51. What I've done to it so far, I have a 5-inch rough country suspension lift. I have custom headlights from Oracle, and I have Mayhem wheels with Cooper tires, 35-inch tires, tail lights, and did the custom stripe on it, the hockey stripe, and also took off the badge and called it a badass Bronco.
And I know you've had Mustangs in the past, so what made you go with a Bronco?
Well, the Bronco came about after a bad motorcycle accident, and I needed something to do, so I tried a different route than the Mustangs and went with the Bronco. So when the Bronco came out, I went out, took it for a test drive, said that's what I want. And after that, I started modifying to get it the way I wanted, so that helped. And it's nice to have some different change, you know, from the Bronco, from the Mustangs to the Bronco.
Very cool. So brand loyal and wanting to stick with it. Is there a reason why you chose a Bronco and not a truck, or just wanted something different?
I wanted something different. Back in the family, we had two of the Bronco 2s, and my dad had a 78 with the two-tone brown with the cream. So when the Broncos came back out, I was excited about them. It was like,
that nostalgia feeling.
Yep, nostalgia feeling. They looked right, and I was like, I could do something with that. So that's how I ended up with that.
Ford love has been in the family.
Yes, it's been in the family ever since. My first car was a '69 Mustang. Mom and Dad got me for graduation. My brother had a '68 GT, a '71 Mustang. We had the 84th anniversary GT 350.
Very cool.
68 Fastback. And I had the 68 Coupe sitting in the garage. And we also had a 60 Thunderbird. And so yeah, it's a long range of the Ford family.
Amazing, awesome. Well, thank you so much for talking about your Bronco, and it was nice seeing you, Steve.
Nice seeing you, Mel.